You know when you're facilitating a workshop and one person in the workshop keeps asking questions and keeps wanting to go in different directions and kind of spoils the mood and makes your life more stressful? Well, there's one thing you can do to really tone them down and maybe stop them from doing that without you telling them to stop. And that is having a parking lot. So basically a piece of paper that says parking lot, or in a Miro board, just a block that says parking lot. And what you do is when someone says something that's irrelevant to the workshop, you say, that's really interesting. It might not be something we can work on right now, but I'm going to add it to the parking lot that we can look at the end of the workshop or later, and we can talk about it. So they feel seen, they feel heard, they see that you're writing down the thing that they asked and the topic that they asked, but you're not necessarily having to actually deal with it. And usually that makes them go, okay, I'm seen, I'm heard, I can stop now. That's really what I do, just having a parking lot in every workshop so that when things come up that are outside the scope of the workshop, you can put them on there, and guess what? You can sell those things as extra workshops later. It's great.